Are you ready to make some small talk, Aleena? Absolutely, Aleena. You think these guys will enjoy? They will love it. Alright, let's get started. We'll be back. Have you ever found yourself struggling to start a conversation with someone, or it gets awkward after a point? Small talk can be surprisingly tricky, but it's a crucial skill for building connections and making lasting impressions. In this video, we'll explore 50 small talk questions and answers to help you navigate any conversation with ease. Whether you're at a party, a networking event, or just meeting someone new, these tips will keep the dialogue flowing smoothly. There'll be two characters in this video that are going to be talking to each other. They're going to be making small talk. They're going to be questions. They're going to be answers. Now, your job is to notice how you feel looking at those two talking, learning these sentences by observing, and finally rehearsing them with yourself in front of a mirror. So these are the things that you have to do. Observe the characters, learn the sentences, rehearse in front of the mirror, and observe also how you feel when you look at these two people talking to each other. Okay, it's gonna be fun. A small talk is a type of informal, light conversation that is used to establish connections with others without getting into deep or personal topics. The aim of a small talk is to break the ice, to pave the way for more meaningful conversations. It can also help you gauge other person's interest or personality, fostering mutual understanding and trust. You will find the PDF of all the questions and the answers in the description of this video, so don't stress. Just take a printout, put it on a side table, and rehearse every day. Let's start with the 50 small talk questions and answers. So by the way, there are several categories that we've taken up in this video, okay? And one after the other, we are going to be discussing a few questions and a few ways to answer to those questions in each of the segments. So let's start with the 50 questions and answers. General small talk questions. How was your day today? It's been pretty busy, but I've had a good day. Thanks. What did you do last weekend? Last weekend, I visited my family in Lucknow and we celebrated my brother's birthday. What hobbies or interests do you have outside of work? I really like reading. In fact, apart from that, I've picked up this new hobby of crochets. It's really hard at first, but I enjoy it a lot. What type of music do you enjoy listening to? I honestly don't listen to a lot of music, but I do really like Taylor Swift. She always makes me smile. What's your favorite thing about the current season? Ooh, for summers, the best part is the mangoes. But now that we are heading towards monsoon season, I absolutely love rain. Weather. Isn't it a beautiful sunny day today? I love this kind of weather. Yes, it's gorgeous. Sunny days always put me in a great mood. I heard it's supposed to rain later. Do you prefer rainy days or sunny days? I actually enjoy rainy days. They feel cozy and relaxing, but sunny days are perfect for outdoor activities. It looks like it might snow this weekend. Are you a fan of snow? I love snow. It makes everything look so magical and it's great for winter sports. It's been so hot lately. How do you usually beat the heat? I stay indoors with the air conditioning or go for a swim. Lemon water helps a lot too. Travel small talk questions. Have you traveled anywhere recently and where did you go? Most recently, we visited Europe and we went to Monaco and Paris and it was beautiful. What's your favorite place you've ever visited? That would have to be Sri Lanka. I totally fell in love with the city and its culture and its people. Where would you like to go on your next trip? We really would like to go to Santorini. I really want to try gyro. It's really popular there. Do you prefer relaxing vacations or adventure trips? I really like to have a good balance. I do need to get the relaxation out of my system. I need to read a book. I need to lie in the shade, hop cafes. But I go a bit stale if I stay relaxing for too long. I need to do things and see things. What's one unique or exotic food you've tried while traveling? Most recently, pineapple raita. That dish blew my mind. It was so delicious. I wish I could eat it every day. What's the craziest or most memorable thing you've done on a vacation? I took a different trip than we were supposed to. A documentation got rejected and we took this impromptu trip to Sri Lanka. That was absolutely beautiful and so unplanned. Do you prefer traveling alone or with others? Always with my husband. It's best to travel with your best friend. Have you ever had a negative travel experience and how did you handle it? Yes, I once turned up at a supposedly five-star hotel that was nothing like the photos, and I very calmly explained that I was going to move to another hotel and I'd like a refund. And luckily, they did comply. What's one cultural experience you've had while traveling that you'll never forget? Oh, yes, I once danced with the folk dancers. It was amazing. It was so different, something new I was trying. Recent movies or TV shows. Have you seen any good movies lately? I'm looking for recommendations. Yes, I recently watched Parasite. It was incredible. I highly recommend it. I just finished watching The Big Bang Theory. It was fantastic. Have you seen it? Yes, I have. It's such a fun show. Sheldon's character always makes me laugh. What's the last TV series you binge watched? I recently binge watched Stranger Things. The plot twist kept me hooked. Do you prefer movies or TV shows? I prefer TV shows. They give more time to develop characters and storylines. Books and reading. Let me tell you about a book I'm reading. I'm currently reading Hail Mary. Do you enjoy reading? Yes, I love reading. I'm currently into historical fiction. Can you suggest any good books? I'm looking for something new to read. If you enjoy thrillers, Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn is a great choice. What's your favorite book of all time? To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's a timeless classic. Do you prefer fiction or non-fiction books? I prefer fiction. It's a great escape from reality. I hope you're rehearsing these sentences. Take the printout of the PDF and rehearse every day in front of the mirror. Let's get back. Food and cooking. I tried a new recipe for butter paneer last night and it turned out great. Do you like to cook? I love cooking. Experimenting with new recipes is so much fun. What's your favorite cuisine? I love experimenting with different types of food. I adore Italian cuisine. There's something about pasta and pizza that's so comforting. Have you ever taken a cooking class? Yes, I took an Italian cooking class once. It was fantastic learning to make authentic dishes. Do you prefer cooking at home or dining out? I prefer cooking at home. It's healthier, more satisfying. Did you catch the latest cricket game? That was quite a match. Yes, it was thrilling. I was on the edge of my seat the entire time. I'm thinking of joining a local cricket league. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play badminton regularly. It's a great way to stay fit and have fun. What's your favorite sports to watch? I love watching cricket. The pace of the game is so exciting. Do you follow any sports teams? Yes, I'm a big fan of Barcelona. I never miss their games. Work or study? How's your work going these days? Anything new you're working on? Work is going well. I'm currently working on a new project that's really exciting. I heard you're studying chemistry. How do you find it? It's challenging but fascinating. I love learning about how everything around us works. What do you enjoy most about your job? I love the problem solving aspect. It's very satisfying to find solutions to complex issues. Do you have any long-term career goals? Yes, I'd like to eventually move into a management position and lead my own team. Pets and animals. I saw you walking your dog the other day. What's his name? His name is Noddy. He's a Labrador and full of energy. I'm thinking of adopting a cat. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. She's very independent but loves cuddles. What's your favorite thing about having a pet? The companionship. Pets are always there for you and bring so much joy. Do you prefer dogs or cats? I love both, but I have a slight preference for dogs. They're so loyal and friendly. Fitness and health. I've started a yoga class recently and it's been great. Do you do any fitness activities? Yes, I go to the gym regularly and also enjoy dancing on weekends. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. Have you tried any good healthy recipes? Yes, I recently made a broccoli salad with lots of veggies. It was delicious and nutritious. Do you have any fitness goals you're working towards? I'm currently training to gain more muscles and lose some fat. It's been tough but rewarding. What do you find most challenging about staying fit? Finding the time can be difficult, but I try to prioritize as much as possible. Personal background and stories. Where did you grow up and what was it like? I grew up in Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. It's very peaceful and my upbringing was really lovely. Do you have any siblings? And if so, what was it like growing up with them? Yes, I have two sisters. We had the typical sibling rivalry, but also shared a lot of great times together. We spent hours playing outside, building forts, and creating our own little adventures. Our relationship has grown stronger over the years. And now they are one of my best friends. What's one thing you're grateful for today? I think I'm really grateful for being able to do what I love the most. I really enjoy my job, and that's one thing I'm truly grateful for. What's one quality you value most in a friend? The quality I value most in a friend is loyalty. Knowing that someone will stand by you through thick and thin is incredibly important to me. I hope you enjoyed this session. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you did. Keep rehearsing, keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.